Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions in private, and I'm trying to tackle each and every topic. This one is especially for the teenagers. I've been asked what there is to do after the beach, after the water activities, after driving around the island and exploring. What's to do after maybe dinner, early dinner, and then early dinner and go to bed? No. In this case, we're going to tackle a few of the ideas I have for you, and probably you might want to join your teenagers as well doing it. I love it, and we're gonna get right to it. Our first stop for tonight is at the Palm Beach Plaza Mall, situated near the Holiday Inn Resort. At the third floor is where you can find the Dream Bowl. This is an 8-lane recreational bowling alley which is fun for the whole family. After paying the desired time, you will get some special shoes so you are able to play without damaging the wooden floor. Once the names are set in the computer, you may start the game. If you have never played before, let me briefly explain. Each player gets 2 chances to knock down all the pins, and you keep alternating this for 10 rounds. The computer will automatically add up your score. Ideally, you would want to knock down all of the pins in one shot. This is called a strike. However, if you knock down all pins in 2 tries, it would be called a spear. With that said, it's usually a lot harder than it looks. Bowling has many techniques in order to help you improve your game. But for the sake of keeping this video simple and fun, I would suggest you to simply try to keep it as much in the middle as possible. Apart from the bowling alley, this place has the largest game room on the island, including billiard tables, air hockey, football tables, and much more. So even if bowling is not really your thing, there are several other reasons for you to visit this place. Take note that there is another section on the other side of the building with many more machines. My only real concern would be how you are going to get your children out of here, because I used to be addicted to them myself. Our second stop takes us across the street to the Paseo Herencia Mall. This place is full of interesting bars, restaurants, and shops, but also has activities for kids. In our case, however, we are going to visit the Airsoft Experience, which is basically a small shooting range. While we were waiting, I could not help but to notice that there were several teenagers playing or waiting their turn, so this one is pretty popular with them. By the way, let me be very clear, I'm not very fond of firearms myself, but I think this one is fairly challenging and safe. There are several to choose from, and in our case, we wanted to try out 2 of them. For someone who doesn't like guns, I thought I did, oddly enough, pretty well. must say, this second one felt more realistic. What do you think? Have you tried this before? Let me know in the comments below. On to our third stop for the night, we headed to the King Plaza Mall to a restaurant called Tortuga Loco. Here we decided to first have dinner, but we'll be playing in the virtual room in just a bit. This place is decorated with very nice and tropical colors and also includes paintings of several Aruban celebrities like Sander Bogaerts and such. After dinner, we headed to the Virtual Aruba Reality Room, where you can choose from a variety of games. Being a VR game room, you will wear a headset like this one for the entirety of the game, which usually lasts about 10 minutes. Those waiting can see what you are seeing via a TV, but trust me, it's not the same as playing it yourself. In my case, I decided for this one, which is related to fear of heights, and oh my, it was very realistic.
Okay, I won't slow.
Wow. Oh my god. Lahat lang kung sinubuhay ka na. Welcome. And I'm like, here.
Conversation on this telephone. What is that?
Honestly, I don't think my video does justice to what you feel playing this game. So if you have the chance, go check them out for yourself. Thank you for hanging around. We have arrived at our final stop for the night, the Bushido Karting Speedway, which also has an adjacent restaurant, but in this case a Mexican one. For those who prefer to wait, they can sit and watch the raceway from here. In our case, however, we are here to race. And yes, there is even a results board for those who are taking this seriously. I was surprised to see how many people come here, so reservations are recommended. Check out the link in the description of this video. So we are just about ready to get into the go-kart and go race. I must admit, filming while driving and racing was not easy, but I wanted to give you an impression of the whole experience, so please bear with me. While with the drone shots, it may seem like you are going really slow, I can guarantee you that it sure ain't so. Somehow I forgot to ask the speeds, but it felt like I was going fairly fast, and I can assure you that you will definitely feel the rush, and occasionally you will also spin out of control if you are not careful. This might not be the activity for everyone, but I assure you I had a blast and look forward to be racing again very soon. Challenges anyone? That was a lot of fun. Oh my goodness. Folks, I would like to thank you for hanging around till the end of this video. If you liked it, please smash that like button so I know you expect more videos like this from me in the future. While you're at it, remember to check if you are subscribed and have that notification bell turned on so you won't miss any of my future content. So long for now, see you in the next one, bye bye.